Hello everyone, my name is Lakita from BSc Chemistry Honours first year. Today I am going to make an audio recording for visually impaired student of inorganic chemistry and my chapter name is S block elements. Introduction. The elements which belongs to group 1 and 2 of the periodic table are collectively known as S block elements. These are called S block elements because last electron in these elements enter into S orbital of valence shell. The element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium constitute group 1 of periodic table. These elements are collectively known as alkali metals. These elements are so called because they form oxide and hydroxide which are alkaline in nature and turn red litmus into blue. The word sodium is derived from the word soda, which is an Arabic word meaning to split apart. The word potassium is derived from the word potash, meaning ash of potash, since ashes of plant are particularly rich in potassium carbonate. Rubidium was named after the beautiful ruby color of its spectral line, while cesium means sky blue, which is the color of line in its spectrum. The elements of group 2 are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Elements of group 2 with the exception of beryllium are commonly known as alkaline earth metal. They are so called because their oxides are similar to those of alkali metal oxide, that is, their oxide react with water to give hydroxide which are alkaline in nature. The name earth was given because oxide of calcium and magnesium could withstand very high temperature. Thus these elements come to be known as alkaline earth metal. Occurrence. Since all these elements are extremely reactive, therefore these do not occur free in nature. Being most electropositive element, they are found in nature as cation, combined with most electronegative anions such as halide, sulfate, carbonate, silicate, etc. The main source of sodium is sodium chloride present in seawater and is present in unlimited amount. Potassium occurs as carnallite, KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O. Lithium, rubidium and cesium are present in minute quantity in some aluminosilicates. Francium is radioactive with very short half-life and therefore do not occur in nature. Beryllium does not occur in abundance and is difficult to extract. Magnesium and calcium occur in considerable amount in Earth's crust. Calcium is the fifth most abundant element in Earth's crust. Vast sedimentary deposits of CaCO3 occur over large part of Earth's surface. Magnesium is the sixth most abundant element in crustal rock. Strontium and barium do not occur as concentrated ores but are easy to extract. Radium is radioactive and has rare terrestrial abundance and therefore little is known about its chemistry. Electronic configuration of element of group 1, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Alkali metals, group 1. The alkali metal have an inner core electronic configuration of a noble gas and one electron in the s orbital of outermost energy level. In other words, the general electronic configuration of alkali metal is noble gas Ns1 where N represents the outermost shell. Alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals have an inner core electronic configuration of a noble gas and two electrons in s orbital of outermost shell. Thus, their general electronic configuration may be written as noble gas Ns2 where N represents the outermost shell. Comparative study of general characteristic of alkali metals. The general atomic and physical property of alkali metals given in table. We shall limit our discussion to only first 5 members of family, or very little is known about the last member named francium, which is a radioactive element. A general trend in physical properties. Number 1. Atomic and ionic radii. The alkali metal have the largest atomic and ionic radii in their respective periods. This is due to the reason that as we move from left to right in a period, the effective nuclear charge goes on increasing, thereby pulling the valence electron more strongly toward the nucleus, because of which the atomic and ionic radii go on decreasing. On moving down the group from lithium to cesium, the atomic and ionic radii go on increasing. This can be explained as under: with increase in atomic structure on moving down the group, there is an increase in nuclear charge, because of which there should be decrease the atomic or ionic radii, but the straining effect caused by electron present in the inner shell is so large that it easily overcomes the effect of increased nuclear charge. Moreover, on moving down the group, there is increase in number of shell because of which the atomic or ionic radii increase. Number 2. Ionization energy. The ionization energy value in alkali metal are the lowest in their respective periods. This is because alkali metal are the largest in size in their respective periods, and therefore the valence electron are loosely held by the nucleus and can be easily removed to give stable noble gas configuration. On moving down the group, the ionization energy decreases from top to bottom. This is because as we move from top to bottom, the atomic size increase and pull of nucleus on valence shell electron decrease, because of which the valence electron can easily be removed to give stable noble gas configuration. However, the second ionization energy of alkali metal are very high. This is because with the removal of valence electron, the alkali metal acquires stable noble gas configuration, because of which it is not easy to remove the second electron and have the second ionization energy IE2 is very high. For example, Na gases give Na positive gases plus electron. Ionization energy first is 496 kJ per mole, and Na positive gases give Na2 positive gases plus electron. Second ionization enthalpy is 4563 kJ per mole. Hydration energy. The amount of energy released when 1 mole of gaseous ion combined with water to form hydrated ion is called hydration energy. M positive plus aqueous gives M positive aqueous plus hydration energy. The hydration energy of alkali metal ion decreases with increase in ionic size. The alkali metal ion are highly hydrated. The smaller the size of ion, greater is the degree of hydration. Thus, lithium ion is much more hydrated as compared to sodium ion and potassium ion. The hydration energy of alkali metal ion hydrated ion decreases from lithium aqueous to cesium aqueous. Hydrated radius. Li positive greater than Na positive greater than K positive greater than rubidium positive greater than cesium. As Li positive ion has maximum degree of hydration, the salt of lithium are mostly hydrated. Example LiCl2H2. The hydration energy of cation of alkali metal in kilojoule per mole are Li positive minus 506, Na positive minus 406, K positive minus 330, Rb positive minus 310, and Cs positive minus 276. Density. The alkali element are silvery white metal. They are very soft and can be cut with a knife. These have very low density. This is due to their large atomic size, as a result of which the atomic nuclei of alkali metal get widely separated in their crystal lattice and hence exhibit low density. In the group, the density goes on increasing with increase in atomic number. However, density of potassium is less than that of sodium. Increase in density on moving down the group may be explained as follows. On moving down the group, both the atomic size and atomic mass increase. But increase in atomic mass is more than the increase in atomic size, and therefore density of alkali metal go on increasing as we move down the group. Exception in the case of potassium is due to the abnormal size in its atomic size. Melting and boiling point. Alkali metal are soft and have low melting and boiling point, which decrease with increase in atomic number. The melting point of alkali metal are the lowest among metal. This is because they have one valence electron per metal atom, because of which metallic bond is weak. Decrease in melting point on moving down the group is due to increase in atomic size, which result in weakening of metallic bond and consequently decrease in melting point from lithium to cesium. Electronegativity. The value of electronegativity for alkali metal are very low and are the lowest in their respective period. This is because the alkali metal are the largest in size in their respective periods. On moving down the group, the atomic radii go on increasing. and therefore electronegativity go on decreasing. Electropositive and metallic character. Since alkali metals have low ionization energy, therefore they can lose their valence electron, and hence alkali metals are strongly electropositive in character. Since the ionization energy decreases down the group, therefore electron releasing tendency or electropositive character of alkali metal go on increasing down the group. Oxidation state. All elements of group 1 show +1 oxidation state only. This is because they have a strong tendency to lose the electron, valence shell electron, to form a unipositive ion. However, it requires a very high amount of energy to remove the second electron from the noble gas configuration obtained after the removal of outermost electron to form dipositive ion to show +2 oxidation state. Hence, they do not show +2 oxidation state. Flame coloration. Because of low ionization energy, the valence electron in the alkali metal can be easily excited to higher level by putting them in a Bunsen flame. When the excited electron come back into the ground state, the absorbed energy is emitted in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum, thus imparting a color to the flame. As we move down the group, valence electron in the different alkali metal absorb different amount of energy and get excited to the higher energy level. When these excited electrons come back to the ground state, the amount of energy and frequency of light emitted goes on increase as we move down the group. As a consequence, the color imparted to the flame show a regular change from red to violet region of visible spectrum. Lithium impart crimson red, sodium impart golden yellow, potassium impart pale violet, rubidium impart reddish violet, and cesium imparts sky blue color to the Bunsen flame. Photoelectric effect. The alkali metal, particularly potassium and cesium, when exposed to light, eject electrons. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. This is because alkali metal have low ionization energy, because of which electron can easily be ejected when their surface are exposed to radiation. This property makes these metals useful in radio walls and photoelectric cell because of its small size. Lithium cannot eject electron easily and hence cannot be used in photoelectric cells. Reducing properties. Alkali metals are good reducing agent which lose electron. The general electronic configuration of alkali metal is NS1. Due to their low ionization enthalpy, alkali metals have a high tendency to lose the outermost electron and behave as strong reducing agent. The reducing character goes on increase on moving down the group because tendency of the metal to lose electron goes on increasing on moving down the group. Lithium is an exception. It is expected to be least reducing agent on the basis of its ionization energy, but it is strong reducing agent among the alkali metal. This is explained in the chemical property of alkali metals. Ionic compound formation. Alkali metals have only one electron in their outermost energy level. In chemical combination, this electron can easily be transferred to a non-metal, forming a unipositive metal ion with a stable electronic configuration of a noble gas. Therefore, alkali metals have a strong tendency to form ionic compound. However, some of these elements also show covalent character. Lithium, for example, form covalent organolithium compound. Sodium and cesium also form diatomic molecules such as Na2 and CS2 respectively, involving covalent bond, but due to the strong electropositive character of these elements, these covalent bonds have considerable ionic character. Electrical conductivity. Because of the low ionization energy, the valence shell electron of alkali metal is loosely held by the metal ion in solid state. Therefore, these elements are good conductor of heat and electricity. Lattice energy. It is defined as the amount of energy required to break 1 mole of an ionic solid into free ion. Mx gives lattice energy M positive gases plus X negative gases. Greater the force of attraction between the ion, greater is the lattice energy. Force of attraction between the positively charged ion also depend upon the size and charge. For the cation of same charge, the lattice energy of ionic solid having the Same anion decrease with increase in size of cation due to decrease in force of attraction between the ion. General trend in chemical property. The alkali metal can readily lose their outermost valence electron to form unipositive cation. Therefore, alkali metal are highly reactive in valence in nature. Thus, high chemical reactivity of alkali metal is due to their low ionization energy, low heat of atomization in their period. Since value of ionization energy decreased down the group from lithium to cesium, therefore the reactivity of alkali metal increased from lithium to cesium. The alkali metal are high reactive toward most electronegative elements such as oxygen and halogen. Some important chemical property of alkali metals are: Number 1. Action with air and moisture. Pure alkali metal tarnish immediately in air, forming a layer of oxide, hydroxide and carbonate on their surface. Their reactivity increases as we move down the group due to their reaction with air or moisture. Alkali metal are stored in inert solvent like kerosene oil. 4m plus O2 gives 2m2O, m2O plus H2O gives 2MOH, 2MOH plus CO2 gives M2CO3 plus H2O. For example, the reaction of sodium with air and moisture are as follows. 4Na plus O2 gives 2Na2O, Na2O plus H2O gives 2NaOH, 2NaOH plus CO2 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O. Lithium show exceptional behavior in reacting directly with nitrogen of air to form lithium nitride, Li3N. Number 2. Reaction with dioxygen. Alkali metal burn instantly in dioxygen to form oxide. The type of oxide formed depend upon the alkali metal. Lithium form monoxide Li2O, sodium form peroxide Na2O2, whereas the other metal like potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxide KO2, RbO2 and CSO2 respectively. 4Li plus O2 gives 2Li2O monoxide, 2Na plus O2 at a temperature of 575 Kelvin gives Na2O2 peroxide. M plus O2 gives MO2 superoxide. M is equal to KRb and Cs. Thus we observe that reactivity of alkali metal with oxygen goes on increasing as we move down the group. Explanation. Lithium ion is very small in size and therefore has a strong electropositive field around it, which can stabilize only a small anion O2 negative. In other words, because of small size of lithium ion, the spreading of negative charge toward another oxygen atom cannot occur and therefore it cannot attach with another oxygen atom. Consequently, it forms only monoxide Li2O. Sodium ion, being larger in size, can stabilize larger anion. The positive field around sodium ion is weaker and does not prevent the conversion of oxide into peroxide ion, but it is strong enough to prevent further oxidation to superoxide ion. Hence, sodium form peroxide Na2O2, K positive, Rb positive and Cs positive because of their large size have a weak positive field and therefore form superoxide KO2, RbO2 and CSO2. Stability of peroxide and superoxide increase with increase in atomic number or size of ion. Order of stability of superoxide of metal ion is Li positive less than Na positive less than K positive less than Rb positive less than Cs positive. The normal oxide contain O2 negative ion, the peroxide contain O2 negative ion and superoxide contain O2 negative ion. Because of the presence of 3 electron bond, the superoxide of alkali metal are paramagnetic in nature while normal oxide are diamagnetic in nature. A brief chemistry of oxide, peroxide and superoxide is discussed below. The main product obtained when alkali metal burn in free supply of air depend upon the metal. Example, lithium form oxide Li2O, Na form peroxide Na2O2 and heavier element potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxide namely KO2, RbO2 and CSO2. However, under appropriate condition, pure compound M2O, M2O2 and MO2 can also be prepared for all the alkali metals. Variation of reducing character in a group. As we move down the group, the reducing character of the metal should increase. Lithium therefore should be least reducing due to its high ionization energy. However, it is the strongest reducing agent. Explanation: the reducing power of an element depends upon the tendency of the atom of the element to lose electron to form positively charged ion. Lower is the ionization energy, greater is the tendency of element to form electropositive ion, and stronger is the reducing power of element. As the ionization energy of alkali metal decrease in moving down the group, the reducing power of or reducing character should increase in moving down the group. Thus, increasing order of reducing character of alkali metal should be Li less than Na less than K less than Rb less than Cs. That is, lithium should have the least, whereas cesium should have the maximum reducing character among these elements. However, it has been observed that in aqueous solution, the reducing character is in order Na less than K less than Rb less than Cs less than Li. That is, Na being least, whereas Li being most powerful reducing agent in aqueous solution. This can be explained on basis of standard reduction potential of alkali metal in their aqueous solution. More negative is the electrode potential, more is the tendency of the element to lose electron, and the stronger is the reducing power. As the negative value of standard reduction potential of alkali metal increase from Na to Cs, the reducing power of these elements also increase from Na to Cs. However, the standard reduction potential of lithium is most negative value, that is, it has the lowest reduction potential, and such is the strongest reducing agent among the element of group 1. This anomaly can explain as under. We know that the ionization energy is the energy required to remove the valence electron from an isolated gaseous atom, but oxidation potential is the property when the metal goes into solution as M positive. M gives M positive plus electron ionization energy. M solid give M positive aqueous plus electron oxidation potential. The process of oxidation potential may therefore be represented as M solid to M gaseous enthalpy of sublimation, M gaseous to M gaseous ion plus electron ionization energy, M gaseous plus NH2 gives M positive aqueous hydration energy. The overall tendency for the above change depend upon the net effect of these three steps. Li positive ion being smallest among us, the alkali metal is hydrated to maximum extent. Therefore, large amount of energy called hydration energy is released in third step. This energy which is released is so large that it compensates the higher energy needed to remove the electron in second step. The net result is that it has greater tendency to lose electron in the solution than any other alkali metal, and hence lithium acts as the strongest reducing agent amongst alkali metal. So reducing character of alkali metal represented as lithium strongest reducing agent, and from Na to cesium reducing character goes on increasing. As alkali metal have low reduction potential than hydrogen, therefore these metals displace hydrogen gas from those compound or molecule which contain hydrogen in their formula. For example, alkali metal react with water, ethanol, hydrochloric acid, acetylene to liberate H2 gas. 2K plus H2 gives 2KOH plus H2 gas. 2Na plus 2C2H5OH gives 2C2H5ONa. Sodium ethoxide plus H2 gas liberate. 2Na plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl. Sodium chloride plus H2 gas liberate. Reaction with non-metal. Alkali metal react with non-metal like sulfur, phosphorus, halogen, etc. to form their corresponding salt. Reactivity towards sulfur and phosphorus. 16Na plus 6 acid in presence of heat gives 8Na2S, sodium sulfide. 12Na plus P4 on heating gives 4Na3P, sodium phosphide. Reactivity toward dinitrogen. Only lithium react with dinitrogen to form lithium nitride. 6Li plus N2 on heating gives 2Li3 and lithium nitride. Reactivity toward halogen. Alkali metal react with halogen vigorously to form ionic halide of general formula M positive X negative. 2M plus X2 on heating gives 2M positive X negative. However, lithium form halide which have covalent character. This is attributed to the high polarization capability of lithium ion due to its smaller size. As a large size anion can be distorted more easily, therefore metal iodide relatively large covalent character. Lithium iodide is the most covalent in nature. These halides are stable and high soluble in water. The reactivity of alkali metal toward a particular halogen increases as we go down the group. For example, potassium is more reactive than sodium. The reactivity of halogen to form halide with a particular alkali metal decreases in the order F2 greater than Cl2 greater than Br2 greater than I2. Use of alkali metal. Lithium. First, lithium metal is used to make useful alloys such as white metal with lead, and it is used in bearing for motor engine, with aluminium to make aircraft part, and with magnesium to make armor plates. It is used in thermonuclear reaction. It is used to make electrochemical shells. Sodium. It is used as reducing agent in the extraction of titanium, zirconium and silicon from their chloride. It is used as catalyst in form of sodium dispersion and in the product of some artificial rubber. It is used in the manufacture of number of compounds such as sodium peroxide, sodium cyanide, sodium amide, etc. It is used to make NaPb alloy needed to make PbEt4 and PbMe4. These organoletted compounds are used as anti-knock additive in petrol. Liquid sodium metal is used as coolant in nuclear reactor. It is used in manufacture of sodium vapor lamp. Potassium. It is used as reducing agent. Its alloy with sodium is used as heat exchanger in nuclear reactor. It is used in photoelectric cell. It has vital role in biological system. Its compound are used as fertilizer. Its compound potassium hydroxide is used in manufacture of soft soap and in the absorption of carbon dioxide. Potassium hydroxide is used in the processing of rubber. Cesium. It is used in devising photoelectric cell. Anomalous behavior of lithium. Although lithium belongs to alkali metal group and exhibit most of the properties similar to alkali metal, still it differs from other members of the family mainly due to the following reason. First is lithium is the smallest in size as compared to other metal of the family. It has no d orbital in valence shell and thus it cannot expand its octet or coordination number. Number 3. It has maximum electronegativity and ionization energy as compared to other metal of same group is very high. Number 4. It has maximum polarizing power, that is ionic charge by ionic radius, because first member has the smallest size and hence ionic radius in its group. Some property in which lithium differs from other member of its group are as follows. It is harder and lighter than other member of alkali metal. It has high melting and boiling point as compared to other alkali metal. It is the least reactive but it is the strongest reducing agent among alkali metal. Lithium compound due to their covalent character are soluble in organic solvent, whereas salt of other alkali metal are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent. Lithium form monoxide Li2O when burnt in oxygen or air, while all other alkali metal form peroxide M2O2 and superoxide MO2. Lithium react readily with nitrogen to form lithium nitride while other alkali metal do not react. 6Li plus N2 on heating gives L2Li3N. It forms the most stable hydride, that is lithium hydride is the most stable hydride of all the alkali metal hydride. LiCl is deliquescent and crystallized as LiCl2H2O, whereas halide of other alkali metal do not form hydrate. On decomposition, lithium nitrate gives NO2 and O2, while nitrate of other alkali metal give oxygen only. 4LiNO3 on heating gives 2Li2O plus 4NO2 plus O2. 2NaNO3 on heating gives 2NaNO2 plus O2. Lithium does not form lithium acetylide while all other alkali metal form acetylide on heating with acetylene C2H2 gas. Li plus C2H2 on heating gives no reaction. Na plus CH triple bond CH on heating gives CH triple bond C negative Na positive plus 12H2. Lithium hydroxide is a weak base and decompose on heating, while other alkali metal hydroxide are strong base and do not decompose on heating. LiOH plus heat gives Li2O plus H2. Lithium carbonate is unstable and decompose on heating, while lithium carbonate of other alkali metal are stable and do not decompose. Li2CO3 on heating gives Li2O plus CO2. Lithium hydrogen carbonate is not obtained in solid form, whereas other member of the group form solid hydrogen carbonate. LiF and Li2O are sparingly soluble in water, while the corresponding compound of other alkali metal are readily soluble in water. Diagonal relationship. It has been observed that some element of second period resemble in their property with the element of third period placed diagonally to the element of second period. This relationship is known as diagonal relationship. Thus, there are three pair of element of second and third period which show diagonal relationship. Lithium resemble magnesium, beryllium resemble aluminium, and boron resemble silicon. The diagonal relationship in these elements is due to similarity in electropositive character, similarity in size of cation, also same polarizing power, almost same electronegativity and ionization potential as discussed below. Similar electropositive character. As we move from left to right, the electropositive character of the element goes on decreasing while it goes on increasing or moving down the group. These two opposing tendencies almost cancel each other and hence the electropositive character almost remain constant along the diagonal. Number 2. Nearly similar atomic and ionic size and hence polarizing power. As we move from left to right, the atomic or ionic size go on decreasing, while moving down the group it go on increasing, hence along the diagonal it remain nearly same. As a result, the metal ion along the diagonal have same polarizing power and hence similar chemical behavior. Diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. Some of the property in which lithium and magnesium resemble each other due to diagonal relationship are: both have nearly same atomic size, both have nearly same ionic radii, both are harder and lighter than other member in their respective group. Carbonate, fluoride and phosphate of both lithium and magnesium are insoluble in water. Halide of both these elements, LiCl and MgCl2, are covalent and hence are soluble in alcohol and pyridine. Both form monoxide. 4Li plus O2 gives 2Li2O. 2Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Hydroxide of lithium as well as magnesium are weak bases. Hydroxide and carbonate of both lithium and magnesium decompose on strong heating to give metal oxide. 2LiOH on heating gives 2Li2O plus H2O. MgOH all twice on heating gives MgO plus H2O. Li2CO3 on heating gives Li2O plus CO2. MgCO3 on heating gives MgO plus CO2. Nitrate of both lithium as well as magnesium on heating produce nitrogen peroxide. 4LiNO3 on heating gives 2Li2O plus 4NO2 plus O2. 2MgNO3 whole twice on heating gives 2MgO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Both lithium and magnesium when heated with nitrogen form corresponding nitrides. 6Li plus N2 on gives 2Li3 and 3Mg plus N2 gives Mg3N2. Both LiCl and MgCl2 are deliquescent and crystallize from their aqueous solution as hydrate LiCl.2H2O and MgCl2.8H2 respectively. Solvation tendency of S-block element. The ionic solvent dissolved in water conduct electricity due to the presence of ion in solution. Since small size ion move faster, therefore solution of Li positive ion are expected to conduct more electricity than corresponding solution of same concentration of Na positive, K positive, Rb positive and Cs positive salt. However, ionic mobility Measurement in aqueous solution show the result to have odor CS positive greater than RB positive greater than K positive greater than Na positive greater than Li positive. This can be explained on basis that ions in the solution do not exist as such but get solvated. The solvation is of two types, primary solvation. In this type of solvation, some solvent molecule get attached or directly coordinated with metal ion forming a complex. This is called primary solvation cell. For example, Li positive ion on primary solvation get attached to 4 tetrahedrally arranged water molecule forming LiH2O 4 positive ion. This ion behave as one entity. Similarly, Na positive and K positive ion also get attached to 4 water molecule while Rb positive and Cs positive ion form 6 coordinated shell having 6 water molecule. In the primary shell, electrostatic force of attraction keeps the metal ion and solvent molecule together. Secondary solvation. In addition to primary solvation cell, additional solvent molecule get attached to primary shell because of which the ion get further solvated. This is called secondary solvation cell. Secondary solvation vary inversely with the size of the bare ion. Larger the size, lesser the number of solvent molecule getting attached and lesser is the solvation energy. The extent of solvation decrease from Li positive to Cs positive and so is decrease in solvated radii and solvation energy. This Li positive is largely solvated and moves the slowest while Cs positive ion is least solvated and moves fastest. Ionic mobility decrease as Cs positive greater than Rb positive greater than K positive greater than Na positive greater than Li positive. Role of alkali metal on biological system. Biological importance. Some of the alkali metal play an important role in our biological system. Some important aspects of same are discussed below. Role of Na positive and K positive ion. Sodium and potassium ion play a very vital role in living organisms including human being. A number of metals are present in our biological system. An average 70 kg person has about 90 gram of sodium and 170 gram of potassium as compared to only 5 gram of iron and 0.05 gram of copper in his body. Sodium ions are found mainly on the outside of cell in the blood plasma and in the interstitial fluid present around the cell. Sodium and potassium resemble in a number of physical and chemical properties, yet they differ vastly in their biological properties like tendency to penetrate cell membrane, transport mechanism, and their efficiency to activate enzyme. Sodium ion Na positive is an extracellular ion while potassium K positive is an intracellular ion and their concentration in extracellular and intracellular fluids are quite different. Na positive is present to the extent of 0.01 mole decimeter cube in intracellular fluid and about 0.15 mole decimeter cube in is extracellular fluid while the concentration of K positive ion in intracellular and extracellular fluid are 0.12 up to 0.16 and 0.004 mole decimeter or less respectively. It may be noted that nature has provided a transport system because of which the concentration of Na positive and K positive ion is maintained as the desired level in extracellular and intracellular fluid. Potassium ion must be present in greater concentration in the cell as potassium ion are needed for the combustion of glucose and synthesis of protein by ribosomes. It is essential at the same time to pump out sodium ion out of adenosine phosphate out of the cell to maintain the desired level of concentration of these cations. This is achieved by the hydrolysis of adenosine phosphate which is brought into play by cell to pump sodium ion out of cytoplasm and potassium into cytoplasm as sodium ion form more stable complex than potassium ion with the ligand which facilitate the removal of sodium. This transport of ion is called sodium pump. The Na positive K positive gradient also help in operation of nerve cell. During the resting of nerves, the nerve cell develop a potential depending upon the K positive ion concentration across the membrane. When the nerve cell comes into action, acetylchlorine is released near the end plate of nerve cell with the simultaneous discharge of potential which get transmitted by an electric pulse in various nerves. Thus we can see that Na positive and K positive ion are very important in functioning of nerve system. Role of Mg2 positive and Ca2 positive ion. Magnesium is present in chlorophyll and is responsible for the photosynthesis in plant. An adult body contains about 25 gram of Mg and 1200 gram of calcium. All enzymes that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer require magnesium as the cofactor. Thus, magnesium ion control many enzymatic reactions. Magnesium ion are also responsible for metabolism of carbohydrate. Calcium ion play an important role in muscle contraction. These functions are related to the energy storage in biological system in the form of pyrophosphate linkage. Calcium and magnesium ion catalyze the formation of these linkages. Calcium ion are essential component of blood and participate in the blood clotting and are also responsible for maintaining a regular beating of heart. Calcium ion are also essential for the formation of bones and teeth as apatite Ca3PO42 and the enamel of teeth as fluoropatite Ca3PO4 2CaF2. So this is all about alkali metals of S block element. Thank you.